Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Bendigo bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Bendigo mobile banking app on your mobile phone and sign in with the credentials, right? Once you have done so, you're simply going to go ahead and enter the security code of yours and get logged in. And then here in this section, you're going to see your account's information on top, and in the below section you will be able to find this option of transfer, pay anyone, aka here in this move money section below. Once you are in this interface, simply make sure to choose any of the option. It won't matter, it will simply lead you to the transferring money interface anyway, so go ahead, choose the one. Now here you can see the payment details, right? This is the done payment details, but once you have done so, you will have to enter their bank information on top, their and then their account number, and if ask goes in turn, simply enable that and check on the amount. Once you can enter the description and simply go ahead, confirm the transfer. Once I've confirmed it, your transfer will be done. Make sure to recheck your account's information in case of it's a different account, it's not the saved one. Once you're done, you will be able to transfer money from your Bendigo bank just like that. So make sure to remember the information of the other person's bank or account correct, and then afterwards you can go ahead, check on the payment details here in the activity section as well, and you're done. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.